Let's talk about Tesla CCS adapter. There has been a lot of hype about this product, and I'm going to go briefly cover what it is, who it is for, and share a big discount code. CCS, which stands for Combined Charging System, takes your J1772 plug, which is also commonly known as the Level 2 plug, and combines with the DC fast charging plug into the same larger plug. This is why the CCS plug nozzle is commonly referred to as a combo plug. It is rather a bulky plug, and all new electric vehicles come with the CCS input. This is relevant for Tesla owners because you can use the CCS charging to fast charge your Tesla at about the same rate as the supercharger and diversify your charging option. This is where the CCS adapter plug from Hansshow comes into play. This adapter has a regular CCS combo input on one side and a Tesla output on the other side, allowing you to charge your Tesla at any CCS compatible charging stations around the world. This adapter allows the Tesla owners to get up to 250 kW charging based on the vehicle configuration and charging capability. That is very comparable to Tesla supercharging. This is how the Tesla CCS charging works. You pull into a fast charging station, exactly like how you would pull into a Tesla supercharger. Then you have to put in your payment method. It could be an app, it could be a phone number. You could also swipe a card on various stations. And then you just grab the CCS charger, then plug it into the Hansshow CCS Tesla adapter. Finally, you can just plug in the Tesla output side of the adapter into your Tesla charging port. That's it. You start fast charging immediately. The charging demonstrated here is actually on the slower side, and there are other CCS fast chargers around the world that can hit those 200 kW plus numbers. Here we are getting 40 kilowatt starting at 17% battery charge. Tesla app shows 41 kilowatt at 144 miles per hour. Now we got to 70% charge at 45 kW active power, and it took us 55 minutes to go from 17% to 70%. What is interesting is that the charging rate actually increased as the battery filled up instead of decreasing. We're seeing 46 kW at 173 miles per hour. So we refilled 150 miles in about an hour from a non-Tesla charging station. That is rather impressive and convenient even for a slower charging station. Now we have covered how to use this product. Let's look at where you can use this product and who this product is really for. First of all, if you go to PlugShare, and I highly recommend you check PlugShare out for various charging needs. They have a bunch of filters, and they just incorporate everybody here, all the charging station. Electrify America is probably going to have the largest CCS DC fast charging stations. So they also have the Tesla chargers embedded directly in here. So check out PlugShares if you want to find out other charging options beside the Tesla supercharger. Now, if you go to their website, one of the filters you can find here is all the different plugs, and we got the Tesla plug, of course, and we got the CCS plug here. Now, to navigate this, if you just, for example, if you just want to include the CCS plug and you click here, you can see all these charging options, and this is just from the top level view. If you start zooming in, this charger starts just adding up, and there's just so many options for the CCS charger. So you can use this plug anywhere on any of these CCS chargers. So lots and lots of options for you. And this is going to be great for those of you who do a lot of cross-country road trips or even interstate road trips, and you just want to diversify your charging options. There aren't any charging station, Tesla charging stations. If there's a big gap around here, this is a great alternative for you where you can go and plug into some of these charging stations. And if you just want to see the high power fast charging station, you have a toggle here, and you can go put this all the way to the 200, and there is still plenty of options for the 200 kW. But if you just drop it to let's say 70 kW, you get more options here. So lots and lots of options for you're based on your charging needs. If there are gaps, you have lots of options to charge using the CCS adapter. Another use case that I see is if you live in an area, let's just zoom in right here in this Denver Aurora region, and then let's just toggle the Tesla fast charger. So when we do that, there's a handful of superchargers around this region. This is great, but let's say you bought a Tesla somewhere here in the middle and you don't have access to any fast charging at home, so you don't have that level 2 charger at home, and you want to be able to just go to some place and fast charge your Tesla in a short amount of time. You could go to the superchargers that you see here. Now watch what happens. There's 17 charging locations that are displayed here right now. Let's just connect this CCS. Now, if you click on this, all of this charging station, we went from about 17 to 123 charging stations where you can fast charge your Tesla using the CCS adapter. And if we just want to filter this so that you only want to see, at least what the supercharger provides, somewhere in that 120 kW range, you still have a lot more option than what you have with just the Tesla's fast charger. Because if you remove this CCS plug here, you see Tesla's charger doesn't reach all of these areas. You add this, and even for the 200 kW system, for this particular location, there is still plenty of more options compared to the Tesla. Another benefit of a CCS adapter is that if you plan on using this fast charging stations, typically, let's say in Colorado, the Tesla supercharging rates are about 46 to 47 cents per kilowatt hour. But if we check some of this here, so let's say this is in the choice market, this one is just 15 cents per kilowatt hour. So it usually, not always, but usually this supercharge compared to supercharging, this CCS chargers are cheaper. For example, this is a pretty common type of a payment system with Electrify America. Is that so? If you don't have the Pass Plus program, which costs you $4 a month, you would end up paying 43 cents per kilowatt hour. But if you have that pass, which again, $4 a month, you could pay just 31 cents per kilowatt hour, which, if you're charging a lot every day, let's say, that comes out pretty good. So these chargers are typically cheaper than paying for Tesla supercharger. There are two different avenues where you can purchase this CCS to Tesla adapter. One way is to directly go from Tesla, and the alternative way is to purchase from third-party companies like Hansshow. And the main difference you're going to find is the cost. Everything else is going to be the same. Here, the Tesla's CCS Combo 1 adapter costs you $250 directly from Tesla. But then if you go to Hansshow, it costs you $235. But it gets better. If you put that in the cart, and then when you go onto the checkout screen, and when that pulls up right here, if you put Shiva Tesla as your discount code, you're going to shave off that $35, and this really becomes $199. And for a limited time during the Halloween, they're going to increase my code to 25%. Then this becomes about $175. So it's a lot cheaper than Tesla's. You can just get this directly from Hansshow, and we have, of course, reviewed a lot of products from Hansshow in the past. But this particular the adapter, just keep in mind a couple of things. This is not a OEM adapter that you get from Hansshow. This is Hanshow's adapter, but it's basically the same thing. We have had a lot of subscribers from this channel actually purchase this before this video, and they say that it has been working out great for them, and they're getting those fast chargers. So it's this exact same process. This is the same adapter you can purchase from Tesla, but just a bit cheaper than Tesla's. This is all great, but just keep in mind that not all Tesla can utilize the CCS system yet. The newer Teslas already come with the charging capabilities, but the older Teslas, like my 2018 Model 3s, will need a retrofit. To check if your Tesla is currently compatible, you can go to the software section of your Tesla and hit that additional vehicle information. If you have the CCS adapter supported, it will say enabled, but if you don't, then it will just say not installed, like here in my case. So if you want to get that retrofit, and if you have that older Tesla, Tesla says that to check, sometime in early 2023 for the availability. I contacted them, and they said they don't offer that service as of yet, to just check back in early 2023 to get that retrofit done. So this is a great option for Tesla owners to get fast charging aside from the Tesla supercharger. I'll put a link down below for both the Tesla as well as Hansshow CCS adapter. As I said earlier, Hanshow's adapter comes out a lot cheaper than Tesla's for the same functionality. Please let me know in the comment section below if you would get a CCS adapter for your Tesla, or if you already have one, how do you like it? what use cases do you see for a CCS adapter for Tesla owners? Thank you for your support to the channel. I'll be back soon with another Tesla video. Thank you for watching.